All right, let's have a little fun here. We're going to start off juggling one ball. Just throw it straight up, down, and try to get used to knowing where the ball's going to go up, how long it's going to take, how fast or slow it comes back down, and just get comfortable on one side and then throw it up and then catch it on the other side. If you can, go back and forth, back and forth. Alright, now we're going to start getting comfortable with two balls. We're going to do the same thing as we were doing before, straight up and down. But then when we feel like the timing's right, have those balls switch in the air at their peak, and then try to go into a figure eight cascade style pattern. Another way to do this is to have the balls go in one continuous direction, that of a circle, and then work to master it in one hand. Now it's time to go directly into three balls. Hold two balls in one hand, one ball in the other. As you throw up the first ball up into its peak, the second one's going to come follow, and then the third. You want to keep alternating, going back into this crossing back and forth, really find your rhythm, and don't give up. Keep trying until you find it. Once you get it, you'll have it.